Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how you can connect the MyAlice's LiveChat plugin to your Shopify store, which will allow you to explore a lot of new functions and of course allow your customers to interact with you through your website and also allow to connect with you on different social media channels as well. So first I'm going to show you how you can connect the MyAlice plugin to your website, and then I'm going to show you the level of customizations that you can do to the plugin and of course the kind of features that we offer through that plugin. So let's dive right into it. So first off, you can connect the plugin from directly from the dashboard, or you can connect from Shopify store as well. So if you go from the dashboard and under available integrations, you will see this Shopify section. If you click on it, you'll land on the apps section of Shopify. And if you go from Shopify store as well, if you go under apps, and here you can go to the apps section as well, and there you can search with MyAlice. So either way, you will land on this exact same page. So once you're here, you click on Add App. This will take you to the installation page on Shopify. You click on Install. You can of course review the level of connection that will happen, and then you can install the app. Once the app gets installed, you'll be asked to log in with your account. So if you have not logged in previously, if you have not registered previously, you can sign up from here as well. Or if you have an existing account, you can log in with that account. So you can provide your details. And once you successfully log in, it will show you a list of teams. So if you are managing multiple teams on MyAlice, it will show you all of those teams. Or if you have just one team, it will get automatically connected. So I'm going to search with the team that I want to connect with. So once it's selected, you click on, and the Shopify connection is set up. And if you click on enable widget, the chat plugin will be installed directly on your website. You can also configure this from the embed section on your themes. So to do that, you go to online store and you go to the customization for the theme that you have installed on your website. Here under app embeds, you see the MyAlice section. You turn that on and the chat plugin will be installed. So once you have successfully installed the MyAlice plugin on your Shopify store, you will see it reflect on the integrated section as well. It will show up as this, and a channel will be created for your Shopify store. So let's dive into the customizations. So if you go under the options here, you will see the edit section. You go here and you will see a lot of customizations that you can actually introduce on your widget. So you can change how the widget looks to your customers. You can change the position of the widget on your website. You can see, you can of course add multiple channels as well. So if you're active on different channels, for example, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, so you can embed all of those channels within your widget. So if you enable one of those, enable another one, you'll see all of those widgets appear here. So the customers can actually select which channel they want to interact with. So this can be a really useful feature for your customers to avail different modes of communication and not just be restricted to live chat only. And you can change the content of the widget. So you can change the greetings. You can even enable a pre-chat survey. So this is basically before the conversation is initiated with your support team, you can collect a few information from the customers. You can of course enable what kind of notifications you want, and if you want to allow attachments. So a few advanced features here as well. And installation is a code. If you ever need to actually use this code on another website, you can install this code on that website as well. So to summarize, you can actually configure the whole live chat, the whole plugin to your needs, that is familiar with your brand, that is in complete sync with your brand. You can add different kind of messages, you can add different kind of colors, and of course you can add different channels within the widget as well. So if instead of using multiple widgets on your website, you can embed all of those different channels within one widget so that the customers can select whichever platform they want to interact with. So if you want to see how it looks like, if you go to our website, say for example, this is how the widget looks like. So here is, as you can see, it is showing a greeting. It is showing all the channels that I've selected. It is also showing the agents who is available, and you can even configure these messages based on your availability. So if you set up business hours from our settings section, you can set up the business hours here depending on the times of your availability, and based on that you can even configure the online greeting messages and offline greeting messages as well. So as you can see, you can actually design the whole widget to your needs and embed multiple channels within one widget, so the customers can select whichever way they want to go. And finally, adding this widget also adds a lot of information regarding the customers. So once the widget is added to your website, it is able to track the customers' interactions on your website. So which kind of products they're looking into, which kind of products they're adding to their cart, and which kind of products they are buying. All of those interaction histories will be recorded through this widget. And how are those information showed to you? These will be available once the customer reaches out to you and that account is synced with their conversation. So say for example, if this customer is coming from your live chat, you can actually connect their profile. So again, if they are logged in with their account on your website, their account will automatically be connected. But if they are not logged in, you can manually connect their account from here. So I'll just connect one of these accounts. And once the account gets connected, under product interaction, you will see all the products they have previously bought, all the products they have placed in cart, and all the products they have just viewed. So depending on the interaction they're having, and having those recorded through that widget will allow you to profile the customer better, so that you can understand their interaction on your website, and you can actually cater your communications accordingly. So again, to summarize, you can integrate the MyAlice LiveChat plugin on your Shopify store to add a very multi-channel kind of interface for your customers, so that they can select whichever channel they want to interact with you. And once the widget gets connected, you can start tracking different kind of information through that widget in relation to their interactions on your website. And using that information, you can support the customer better. You can upsell or cross-sell that customer better. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a lot of fun using the widget on your website. Stay tuned for the next video.